Hello and welcome to another in my holiday series. Today is Eat Ice Cream for Breakfast and Feed the Birds Day. So, here we go. Got some nice Ben & Jerry's peanut butter cup ice cream. Got a spoon. I did just buy this. There we go, got a little bit here. And such candy ice cream for breakfast. I mean, it's got like milk and stuff in it, right? It's totally good for you. Okay, and for the other part, the Feed the Birds Day. I could do this more gracefully or whatever, but I'm not. There you go, birds. Hey. That's for the birds. And it's not so you can catch the birds, so you can eat them. And I will feed you when I get home. Mwah. Alright, so eat ice cream for breakfast and feed the birds. Everybody have a good one. Okay, bye. Those cats are totally gonna eat that bread.